Hi guys, so I'm in Georgia.
So excited to see Aunt Buffy! Yay!
I came up to my sister's for a week because she needed someone to cat sit.
She's so close to my face.
And I was able to get the week off, and then I have next week off, so I'm still here for 2 weeks. Sitting around in a place that's empty but for cats is pretty awesome. It's kind of boring sometimes, but you entertain yourself.
When he opens his arms and holds you close tonight, it just won't feel right. I was made for loving you, baby. You were made for loving me. The only way of loving me, baby, is to pay a lovely fee.
And I've been looking for jobs like non-stop.
Joss Whedon, you god. I want to give up and die. I can't be as good as this.
Writing a lot, just cracking down and hitting the pavement real hard. Emailing out my resume to millions of people.
There's no microwave in this kitchen. Why would you give away a microwave? It wasn't that bad. Did it misbehave that horribly?
I updated my demo reels.
Love left us up where we belong, where eagles fly on a mountain high.
Been cleaning the house, been doing laundry.
Oh, see, now it works.
Taking care of the cats, feeding the cats.
I could mix them up because look, this one's for Kitty, this one's for Oliver, and this one's for Cashmere. But I could mix them up and make Oliver's the pink one because Catherine's not here to stop me. So, Oliver, have the pink bowl. Kitty, she knows.
Just feeding myself.
I don't know how the oven works. That's a timer.
Staying healthy.
Are you in trouble?
What else did I do?
The fish tank is a serial killer. There's no fish inside the tank. Cashmere here decided to jump behind the tank, clicked some buttons, and now it makes a serial killer noise.
I did have a little guest crawl up the wall last night. I handled it like a pro. Totally got to it before the cats could try to eat it or something. It was a small little thing. And
It climbed up the wall, the cat went after it.
Nope. You go get it. I feel like it's everywhere. I feel like it's all over me now. You're the fierce one. Go get it. Go get it, Kitty. It's staring at me. I swear it's staring at me. Go home, cockroach. Don't. Oh my gosh, if you have wings, I'm gonna die. I don't think you have wings. You might move. The heel. No. It's gonna Nope. Ah! It exploded on impact. And now it's under Jeff's shoe. I'm just gonna leave that there for life.
that was, of course, a reenactment, but sadly very accurate.